From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Welcome back. The other big story tonight, Pakistan is imploding and how the radical group fostered and encouraged by Imran Khan is now biting him back. Thousands of anti-France protesters are threatening the puppet prime minister, and if the situation continues, the civil war is going to completely explode. Let's debate.
Thousands have been protesting on the streets of Pakistan cities. Shouting anti-France slogans, directing their anger against Islamabad. Their anger is even being directed at the Pakistan Army and the police. In some videos doing the rounds, the police in Pakistan is seen being dragged by the collar, beaten, thrashed, some have been killed. And it's an all-out civil war between the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan and the Imran Khan government. Pakistan's government is in a fix. They want to ban the far-right Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, or the TLP, which at one point had come to Imran Khan's rescue. The party behind the protests has demanded the expulsion of the French ambassador, ratification of an anti-blasphemy bill, and a ban on French goods. They even want all European diplomats out of Pakistan. They've set a deadline of April 20th.
ये स्टेट फायर आपकी आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं ये स्टेट फायरिंग हो रही है ये स्टेट फायर मारे गए ये आप देखें स्टेट फायर है
The French embassy in Pakistan has sounded out an alert to all its citizens, asking them to leave Pakistan immediately, saying departures will be carried out by existing commercial airlines. Tonight, this Pakistan's civil unrest threatens to dislodge the Imran Khan government and bring more global disrepute. Like they say, chickens have come home to roost as the TLP strikes back. Let's debate.
What a situation. Just when you think it can't get worse. Tonight, national spokesperson of the BJP, Sardar R.P. Singh, General G.D. Bakshi, Sushant Sareen, Senior Fellow of the ORF, Dr. Sriram Cholia, the Republic contributor on international affairs, Kamar Chima from Islamabad, Hamid Khan, foreign affairs expert, Omar Altaf is a journalist, and Abdul Samad Yaqub, spokesperson of the PTI, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. I want to start by asking you, Mr. Yaqub, that this is your creation, as in like this TLP, Tehreek-e-Labbaik. It's your creation. This Tehreek-e-Labbaik is created by, promoted by, encouraged by, sponsored by Imran, by your army. Now they are beating up your army people, and we saw the pictures. Foreign citizens can't stay there. The French embassy sent out an SOS to all French nationals: leave Pakistan immediately. You're seeing the situation there. What have you done? What exactly are you doing? We just gave you, we sent all these planes full of COVID vaccines. We did things for you. We gave it to you free. We didn't charge money for it. Every time, you know what happens, Abdul?
RSS is in India.
Abdul, you saw that. Abdul, my question is to Abdul Samad, not to you, Omar. I'll come to you in a bit. Abdul, what's going on there? Tell me.
It's a sad
Yes,
situation.
tell me, Abdul.
But as you have alleged that TLP was created by PTI, and before that, you always, your stance is that PTI was created by establishment. I mean, each party you accuse that it is created by establishment. No, it's certainly not. Certainly not. There are the TLP is a political party which comes in the result of the protest from 2017 and suddenly emerged on the blasphemy done by some elements in the West. But I would not accept it. I mean, I will refuse it that it is created by anyone. It might be supported by some elements, but no, certainly not. And this riots are over now. I mean,
No, but your
first and second day. I mean, the position was out of control, but everything is in control now. Everything is all situation is under control now. Yes or not?
You mean it is under control for how long? The next 24 hours? I mean, and how can you even tell me that I am wrong when I say that TLP is your creation? Your government, your party, and General Bakshi knows this. Your government, through your Interior Ministry, issued a notification to release all TLP workers from custody in November last year. Right? So we know exactly the background of this. Even by, falling at the feet of the TLP, you've not been able to control them. I have the notification with me. And they are blackmailing you. You can't do anything. Your army, your police is being beaten. You are a mute spectator. General Bakshi, I think we should tell the Pakistanis we know the reality of what's going on there. And the world knows.
Absolutely, Arnab. Absolutely. The problem with Pakistan is its sense of exaggerated entitlement. They think they have the caliphate of the world. They think they have the thekedari to interfere in what happens within the boundaries of France. Every European nation, Afghanistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, they have that sense of entitlement that if they feel annoyed by something, they feel they have the right to dispatch terrorists to slit the throats of women in churches, to blast, the faithful praying in the churches of Sri Lanka. Or all over the world, if something happens in Palestine, in Israel, it is Pakistan's business. I think it's about time the world told them to mind their own bloody business, right? You don't have any caliphate. It's quite outdated to think that you are the new caliphate. You may have a nuclear bomb, eight power
Amit Khan on the right, yeah.
They need that plain speaking, Arnab. They need this plain speaking because this is a country going berserk. This is a country which is from an international migrant becoming a time bomb, a danger to itself, a danger to the rest of the world because they've got nuclear weapons.
Yeah.
And if the Labbaik gets hold of nuclear weapons, then you can think of what will happen to the world, right? So it is about time that the world, if they don't sort their act out, the world will have to get together to sort them out.
Hamid Khan.
Yeah.
Hamid Khan, I tell you one thing. I've been following this closely, and I have some sufficient knowledge of the matter. I have followed the matter, and I have been observing the crazy events in this country, you can call it that, called Pakistan. And I'll tell you where you've gone wrong. You have no sense of balance and maturity when you deal with situations. You have what do I say? You have a prime minister who's an embarrassment, but more importantly, you can't hold your own. You're a weak country with a weak prime minister, with a weak president, with a weak structure. You're a weak country of a weak government. You must accept that. Even when, Sushant, I'll tell you, there's a scholar from Princeton called Atif Mia. No, let me tell you. Let me tell you why I'm saying this. I, for one, I know my stuff. There is a Princeton scholar called Atif Mia. Right? And Imran Khan had wanted to appoint him in their Economic Advisory Council. This TLP told him that if you appoint him, we will bring down your government. And Sushant, what did Imran Khan do? He immediately said, I'm very sorry, I will not appoint him. See, Imran Khan today, Sushant, cannot even appoint one person in his own country's Economic Advisory Council. It's a reality.
Arnab, can I? Arnab,
Hamid, you understand why I'm telling you? You're a weak country of a weak prime minister.
Do you want me to reply?
You're a weak country.
Sushant will reply.
You understand? You're a
Sushant,
weak.
shall I reply?
Please go ahead.
Sushant can reply after you as well, but I think you got my point. Yeah. You're weak. You're very weak.
I am just saying, just give me, Arnab, just give me 2 minutes, 120 seconds, and then I won't ask anymore. There is just one thing I always notice, that if there is anything, any kind of unpleasant incident happen in Pakistan, the moment Indian RAW and Indian BJP tried to penetrate in it and get advantage of the situation, and the same thing happened with this TLP matter. When these these
BJP?
protests started, within 2 days, there was news that RAW agents are involved in it, and they are trying to penetrate and escalate the situation. And Pakistan Army and professional security forces, including our police and all security agencies, they handled the situation. They sabotage all the plans of our enemy who wants to bring the destabilization in the country. This country is progressing now, and India or countries like you cannot take it. The economical growth of the country, our country is getting back to its feet now. And I just want
economic
to say two
growth
things,
of Pakistan.
and then you can have the time. I am just saying, Arnab, that I'm right now, I am just 2 miles away from the headquarters of the TLP, and everything is calmed down. Everything is normal now. The only thing is, yes, RAW and our enemy like you and like BJP tried to take the advantage of the situation, and they wanted to make it worse. But our professional forces, our government, the right step taken by the government has normalized the situation. Absolutely normalized the situation. And that's the whole point which I want to explain.
Hamid, I want to respond to you very briefly. Briefly. Okay, and after that I will hand over to our senior colleague Sushant, and all were laughing when you were talking.
Give me a chance to reply to your response.
As in the party called Pakistan's, you can't reply. I will destroy you with my 2-sentence reply. You say that we interfere in your internal affairs. No, we are having a discussion when your country is at civil war. Your country, your unemployed and unemployable, useless prime minister, he was doing press conferences and press releases praising the Mumbai police when they acted against me. He has nothing to do. He's an unemployed man. He's useless. And your Foreign Affairs Ministry was putting out press releases against the Republic Media Network and me. You forgot that? Aren't you embarrassed about the way you behaved? You people were putting out press releases on Arnab Goswami and the Republic Network. And you dare come on my network and say that we interfere in your internal affairs. What 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Is the Republic Network part of your internal affairs?
Nose in every matter. You put your
Get out of
nose
your
in
mind.
every matter of
All the people of India were laughing. GD Bakshi, tell him. They were so happy. Oh my God, my God, my God. You poke your nose into
You
my
get
network's
so
affairs.
happy.
You people, your government, 1 minute, 1 minute. Hamid asked them today. 1 minute. You people for 24 hours, 48 hours, you stopped your government work and you only started obsessing about the Republic Media Network. कुछ काम नहीं है आप लोगों का? भारत के रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क के खिलाफ प्रेस रिलीज दो, ये करो, अर्नब के खिलाफ बोलो. आप कहते हैं मुझे कि हम इंटरफियर कर ले अपने इंटरनल अफेयर्स में. आप ग्लोबल हेडलाइन बन चुके हैं.
Arnab,
The whole world was laughing at it. Why did you do that? First of all, tell me. No, why did you do
I
that?
still remember.
No, why did you do that?
How do you do
No,
it?
why did you do that?
I'll answer you.
Why did you do that? No, why did you do that?
Let me answer it.
Have you ever heard? No, 1 second. Sriram Chaulia, tell me. No, 1 minute. No, Sushant, have you ever heard the government of a country, the foreign affairs ministry of a country and the prime minister of a country going ballistic against a news network of another country? First time, and you're saying we interfere.
I think the only
You're out of your mind.
I think the only ones I've heard, and I think it was ridiculous what they did. For them to, talk about a network out here which was being targeted for political reasons without understanding anything. But, this gentleman who was speaking earlier, who was making all these conspiracy theories about the RNAW and India and RSS, and I don't know who all else he wants to bring into what has happened over the last 3 or 4 days. This is not the first time this has happened. This is the 4th or the 5th time this has been happening. And very correctly, Arnab, you pointed out that TLP, its origins are somewhat shady, but the fact of the matter remains that this party, this organization received all sorts of support from none other than the Pakistan Army. There are images of Pakistan Army generals or brigadiers distributing money to these guys, for having for services rendered. There are any number of instances of how they've hobnobbed, how they raised these guys to queer the pitch for Nawaz Sharif and bring Imran Khan, cut Nawaz Sharif's vote bank, bring Imran Khan into power. This was part of that plan. Now this has backfired, so they blame it on India. So this is crazy. But let's come down to something far more fundamental. I think the great thing about the TLP is that the TLP has exposed the hypocrisy of all Pakistanis, especially Pakistani Muslims, who keep talking about Islam all day. But when a genuinely Islamic party comes and says, okay, fine, I'll hold you to your word, let's implement Islam in the truest sense of the word, that is when these hypocrites panic. So my point is that the TLP represents the underclass of Pakistan. It has risen up, and this is not the first time. It won't be the last time. But what it has done is expose the hypocrisy of all these people. That we will give our lives, we will give our children's life for the glory of the Prophet. Okay, now when TLP says, okay, fine, don't give your children's life, severe relations with France, which has defended blasphemy. Then these guys say, no, but we can get our children killed. But look, how can we cut off relations with France? So this hypocrisy has been exposed like never before by the TLP agitation. The second point I want to make is the TLP, in the afternoon I was speaking on your channel. Arnab, in the afternoon I was speaking on your channel, and a lot of people have attached this misnomer of a terrorist organization to the TLP. It is the 4th largest political party in Pakistan. The number of votes they have got, it's the 4th largest, and in Punjab, it is either the 3rd or the 4th largest political party in terms of the number of votes they've got. When the leader of the TLP passed away, it was the biggest ever congregation ever in Pakistan's history. Okay. Even when Jinnah died, there were not so many people. Well, when Jinnah died, these buggers never even bothered about the van he was traveling in, and they let him die. They wanted to get rid of the old man. But in the case of this fellow, when Khadim Hussain Rizvi died, it was a mammoth crowd of the sorts which Pakistan has never seen. So this party clearly has popular support. It is calling out their hypocrisy, and that is what scares the hell out of these guys. And the final point, when 26 January happened and all these mobs had started beating up policemen, all these people in Pakistan were very gleeful about what happened, right? the whole thing has come back to bite
Nathuram
them.
Godse,
These are the kind
killer
of
of
games
Gandhi,
these people have been
is
playing.
a national hero
So
of
people
India.
who say that this, we should be
Arnab,
worried about what has been
you should
happening.
remember
I say more power
your
to
country
the
is being run
more
by
power to
people
the
who
TLP,
mastermind lynch
which
mobs
is
against
actually going to
Muslims of
Islamize
India.
Pakistan and put
Indian
these guys,
Muslims
these
are being
hypocrites,
subjected to
these Farzi
lynch
Muslimans
mobs.
who
Lynch
let
mobs
their
are running
Uyghur
amok in
Muslim
India.
brethren get
RP
butchered
Singh- RP
and
Singh
don't
is
say
on
a
the
damn
debate
thing.
now.
Pakistan about
I think
religious
these people are going to be hoist on
At
the
least the
petard.
I'll
state
tell
of
you.
Pakistan has acted and banned the TLP.
Can I reply,
TLP has been banned in Pakistan.
Yeah.
I hope the day comes when
Yeah,
the
they have
RSS
banned the
is also
TLP. They banned even they
RSS
banned
and
all sorts of
BJP,
terror
the
organizations
parties
and
of
then slept
bigots
with them.
and killers of minorities
Yeah, they've
are
slept
in
with
power
all.
in your country.
These bigots have been created
The
by
killer of
you.
minorities
You
are in power in
terrorists
your
have
country.
created these
Your
bigots.
Prime Minister
And
is
Arnab,
killer of
I
Muslims
don't know
and
why General Bakshi
RP
keeps
Singh is
talking
on
about
the debate
nuclear
now.
weapons in
Sushant,
Pakistan.
don't get
Arnab,
RP is on
one
the
second.
debate.
I don't know why
I
General
forgot to
Bakshi
add one more
is
thing.
talking about nuclear weapons in Pakistan. Arnab, I want to make
Okay,
this point,
Sushant.
please.
Okay, let Sushant
General
come.
Bakshi, I think, is missing the wood for the trees when he says he's worried about the safety of nuclear weapons. The nuclear weapons are already in the hands of Islamic fanatics, which is the Pakistan army. He is worried about the guys Pakistan army is creating without worrying about the people. The creators themselves are the fanatics. So we already have a fanatical Pakistan army with nuclear weapons. I am not afraid of them. They will do everything, but they are hypocrites. Just as they don't care about Namoose Risalat or Khatme Nabuwat when it comes to their pockets and when it comes to France, they will never use a nuclear weapon because they are
Okay,
afraid
now
that
calm
they
down,
will be
everyone.
isolated.
Please pull back.
Don't worry
Please
about
pull
nuclear
back.
weapons in Pakistan.
I was seeing the pictures today. RP Singh, seeing the pictures today with Kamar Chima. I want RP Singh to come in. Seeing the pictures today, I feel there is time up for Pakistan. You know, today it was not one city. Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore, Rawalpindi. They were under siege. So first of all, it's a very serious situation. United Kingdom today, RP, has added the UK to the list of countries which are high-risk countries. Mubarak ho.
High-risk country.
This is your status
Not only
globally
high-risk.
today.
Not only high risk.
They are called a high-risk country because of why they are a country for money laundering and terror financing. Yes, please, RP. Yeah, RP.
So gradually world is understanding what Pakistan and everyone is now clear about what Pakistan is. Anything happen in the world, any terror activity happen in the world, it will go back to Pakistan. But coming back to what's happening in Pakistan, see, this man Imran Khan is a record saying that I have 30,000 of terrorists in Pakistan. What do I do of them? And then he has a party which is a radical party and a party which they have over a period kept back in their backyard. And when you keep snakes in your backyard, they're ultimately come to bite you. You think you can keep snakes and they will only bite your neighbors? No. That's what had been said earlier. But this is a time when snakes are biting you. And then Kamar Chima Sahab, आप कब तक इन सांप को रखोगे? Ultimately, you have to clean up your process and clean up your system. Kamar Chima Sahab, clean up your system is important for you and for the world.
The takeaway
For
of
you and for
today's
the world.
discussion.
Because ये आपको ही काटेगा, आपको ही
The
डसेंगे ये सब
takeaway
के
of
सब.
today's
आपने
discussion
कई
मैं देता
साल
हूँ
इनको
आपको
पाला
क्या
है और ये अब आपको डसने लगे हैं. ये समझ लीजिए आपको. और ये आपके अवाम को भी तंग करेंगे.
आरपी सिंह साहब मैं बताता हूं आपको. Takeaway of today's situation is that those people who will take law and order in their hand, they will be dealt with the iron fist. The people who will carry weapons in their hand, we will deal them the way we have eliminated Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. If people will not listen to the government of Pakistan, if people like a TLP, if they will not accept the writ of the state,
Sir,
they will be dealt the way the government of Pakistan is dealt. We know how we have to do. We know what we have to do, and we are very good at. We are very good at dealing things in Pakistan.
And there was
We
a,
know
there,
how
there,
to
there was a
how
tacit
to have a
understanding.
good
There
law
was
and
a
order
tacit
situation.
understanding between the two parties.
Remember,
That's
few
how
weeks ago,
this party was
the
used as a
farmers
vote-cutting party
just
to
erected the
help
flag
Imran
on the
Khan
buildings
to
of
be in power.
India.
How can you
Have
forget
you
that?
forgotten the Indian
And
farmers?
I
The
doubt
way
gives
to
it out
law and order
that Imran
situation in
Khan
the hand.
can act on
Don't
that.
try to
It
tell
is
us what
just a
we have to
temporary
do.
phase. They
We
will come
have
back to you,
brought
sir.
law and
Because
order
over a period,
its
you are the one
peace.
who
Things
have
are
kept
normal.
A question.
Country is running
Sir,
normally.
they
Nothing
were
to
your
worry.
alliance partners.
Take care of your
Kamar,
farmers.
Kamar.
The
Tactical
farmers
alliance
who are
partner.
lying on the roads.
Sir,
The
Kamar Chima
farmers
Saab, they
to
are your
whom you have
tactical alliance
beaten.
partner.
The
This
farmers
party was
who
your
have killed
tactical
the
alliance
Indian
partner.
police officers. The farmers who
Tell
killed
me.
did every bad
Sir,
thing in India. And you are talking and
Forget,
giving me the lessons
sir,
here.
sir, we
Your
are
own
talking to
government
our
This
farmers.
morning-
We will deal
using
with
force
farmers, sir. We will deal with
disproportionately
farmers.
against the
We are talking to
farmers.
them.
Why?
We are talking to
Why
farmers and we will
farmers
deal with
No,
them.
one
Leave
facing
second.
violence
the
in
farmers
India?
to us.
And you are talking about the few Islamists
Sir,
to whom
it's
we
just few
punished,
of them.
we banned, we
Countrywide, there
put
are
them
farmers.
behind the
But
bars.
let's talk about
So
Pakistan,
we know
sir.
how to deal things.
The cities were
So
under
it
siege.
is upon
The
you.
cities were under
It
siege,
is
sir.
upon
Your
you.
cities were under
The
siege.
Canadian
Kamar.
What are you
government,
talking
the
about?
European
Kamar,
Union,
Kamar.
everybody is concerned
the
about the
video.
farmers
Kamar.
The
protest in
cities were
India.
under siege.
Kamar,
Everybody is concerned.
Kamar, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Foreign governments
RP
has
Singh
asked
Saab,
the
RP Singh
diplomats
Saab,
and the
Kamar.
citizens
RP Singh Saab, RP Singh Saab, 1 minute. Kamar, मेरी बात सुनो. Kamar, मेरी बात सुनिए. Kamar, I wish to say something to you. Kamar, I wish to say something to you, please. May I say something to you, Kamar? Kamar, can I say something to him, Kamar? Sriram Cholia is with me. He's a very distinguished professor also. I'll tell you one thing, Kamar. You can ask Sriram Cholia if I'm not correct. See, you are talking about India, a multi-trillion-dollar economy. One of our companies
what is
is
multi-trillion
bigger than your
dollar?
entire
There are
GDP.
hundreds and
Don't
thousands
talk
of
like
the
this,
farmers
first of
lying
all.
on the road,
Second thing is, you check today. Second thing is, today. Let me give you the news. Give you the news. Today, Kamar, listen to me. Kamar, today is the 15th of April. Today is the 15th of April, India time, 10:26 p.m. Today, 10:26 p.m. India time. Okay, 16th of April. I just want to tell you that yesterday, okay, at 11:30 in the morning, there was an emergency meeting of all finance ministry officials in the government of Pakistan. They all called in, and the whole subject of the meeting is the inability of Pakistan to pay back and service its debt. You have effectively today $10 billion of gross debt. Okay, the UAE demanded 1 minute. The 1 minute. Yesterday the meeting happened, so I'm telling you today. Yesterday the meeting happened. While this tamasha was going on, listen to me. While your country was burning, Sriram, I'm telling you yesterday, because we're journalists, we have feet on the ground. While your country was burning, while your cities were laid siege, a group of bureaucrats had an emergency meeting on the inability to service the debt. UAE has demanded 1 billion back from you, you've still not given it. Britain has added you to the list of high-risk states.
Shows where their priorities are.
Sriram, you...
No, it is failing, it is sinking. They have been bailed out multiple times. But
Sriram,
instead of focusing on
Sriram, please tell Abdul also of the PTI.
Instead of focusing on socio-economic uplift, what they are doing is, stir up this religious hatred. What is this anti-blasphemy movement? What is this Tehreek-e-Labbaik? Why you have to create this anti-France sentiment? How the whole country can be brought to a standstill in the name of opposing France? What does France have to do with the poor of Pakistan? Why are you misleading them and feeding them this toxic religious hatred? First of all, the establishment creates them. Then they say, now we are using an iron hand and we are crushing these miscreants, and now we have labeled them as terrorist organization.
Correct.
Even TTP, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan itself was a product of militarist misguided policies, and then they said, now we are fighting war on terror against TTP. So you first create the problem, then you say we are going to crush the problem. The reality is your focus is not on the real problem. Your focus is always on religion, Islamist fundamentalism, creating hatred. Ahmadiyas, you want to destroy Ahmadiyas. You don't want Shias in your country. You want to oppose France. This same Tehreek-e-Labbaik, said that if we get nuclear weapons in our control, if we win election and we control nuclear weapons, we will drop a nuclear bomb on Netherlands. Netherlands. Why? Because the cartoons against the Prophet were made by some cartoonists sitting in the Netherlands or in Denmark. So they are saying that we have a war against anybody, anywhere in the world. We will go to war with them. Khane ko, though there's no two morsels to eat, they are
Omar.
on the list of begging from the IMF. But on the other hand, they'll say we will drop nuclear weapons on France. We will expel the French ambassador. Why are you at war with the whole world? Why do you not?
Okay, now, Omar,
Drop this Islamist trend?
I want to say something to you, Omar. Omar, listen to me. I want GD Bakshi back.
Willing to help you. We believe in development. You believe in
Omar.
pure religious hatred and
Omar,
bigotry.
1 minute.
Stop
Omar.
this. What is this blasphemy?
If there was justice in India, if
Omar,
there
a
was
minute,
any
please.
rule of law, the BJP should have been banned and your prime
Has
minister
become
should
so
have been
powerful.
in
The
jail.
fact that today it is
And
running
should
the
have
show,
banned
it is calling the shots, it's
for
blackmailing the whole establishment, shows that religious extremism has overtaken all senses in your country. Why don't you moderate yourself and become a model country? Instead, you have become an object of
I'd like
ridicule,
Abdul
object
Samad
of
Yaqub to come
hatred.
back to the debate.
You hate Pakistan.
Abdul Samad Yaqub. Abdul Samad Yaqub. In the last part of the debate, I want you to come in with General Bakshi. Abdul Samad Yaqub. See, you are self-combusting and it actually serves you right. Because your Minister Fawad Chaudhry was lauding Pakistan's role in the Pulwama attack. Your puppet Prime Minister, Imran, said that Osama is a great man, he's a martyr. You still have Dawood Ibrahim on your soil. So, this serves you right. But now, what you need to realize is, we told you to control people like Hafiz Saeed, you did not. In fact, Omar Sheikh's release was ordered by the Pakistani Supreme Court. Even your Supreme Court ordered the release of terrorist Omar Sheikh, who was one of the terrorists India freed in the IC-81 for hijack incident. He is the man who was convicted of abducting and murdering American journalist Daniel Pearl. So, from top to bottom, including your courts, you're all the same. You follow what I'm saying? There's no point fighting me. Nawaz Sharif praised Burhan Wani. It is coming back to bite you, and I'm predicting something for you. I'm predicting, Abdul, मेरी बात सुनिए आप. आज से 10 साल में पाकिस्तान नहीं रहेगा. Because highways in Balochistan are blocked. You understand this? Highways in Balochistan are blocked. You're not seeing. Your country is self-combusting. You can wipe the smile off your face, sir. Never forget 1971. हमने कुछ नहीं किया था. लोग है ना, जब एक हद पार करती है कोई भी, लोग खुद सड़कों पे आ जाते हैं, जो हो रहा है आपके देश में. जी.
Arnab, first of all, you are so much
Yes.
obsessed with
Tell me.
Imran Khan, and you are so much obsessed with Imran Khan, and at the time when your WhatsApp chat was leaked, it was that chat which was.
No, he is
discussed
obsessed
was
with
you.
me. I'm sorry.
It was
I'm
that-
sorry.
no, no,
I'm sorry.
it
Correct
was-
yourself.
no, no,
One minute.
please.
One minute. One minute.
Let me-
One
let-
minute. One minute. One minute.
let-
One minute. You are a spokesperson of PTI. I want to counter you. 1 minute. Abdul ji. 1 minute. Abdul ji, 1 minute. मेरी बात सुनिए. देखिए. You said that I am obsessed with Imran Khan. I'm sorry. Imran Khan is obsessed with us. Your Prime Minister issued a press release about me. I have not issued a press release about him. Whatever I have to say about that weak man, I say on television. The weak, ineffective आदमी वैसे सब हैं आपके, but he is the weakest of the weak. So I'm saying this. He issued a press release on me. So please get your facts right, huh? किसकी obsession है आप पर समझ लीजिए. अब जवाब दीजिए. मैंने जो जवाब दिया. Personalize करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
It was related to the Pulwama attack, which your chat was leaked. It was that matter
नहीं छोड़िए.
which matters was.
अरे छोड़िए. अरे you are an
never
obsessed
mattered
man,
to
Abdul
you.
Samad.
You never mattered
We have
to us.
hammered you in
never
Balakot.
mattered
We'll
to
hammer
us.
you again. Now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. You tell me. I am telling you that you are self-combusting, and I am telling you that in 10 years Pakistan will not exist. And I told you today, you don't smile about that.
It's your desire. I mean, it is.
अभी सिर्फ 50 साल हुए 1971 के.
आपकी
It's not
ख्वाहिश
my
नहीं पूरी
desire,
होगी.
it's
आपकी
history.
ख्वाहिश तो 10 दिन आपकी
It
is your desire. I mean, keep
itself.
dreaming, keep daydreaming. I mean,
मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, you are.
Pakistan will.
It's not my desire. It's reality.
You don't worry. You don't.
No,
you
no.
don't worry
Did you
about
tell people in
Pakistan.
1961 it was their desire? General Bakshi, why don't you have not learned the lessons of history? आपने बांग्लादेश में जो किया, आपने अभी तक आपको सीख नहीं मिली.
All right.
Arnab,
Thank you.
Secondly, let me finish. Please, let me finish.
Thank you to
As you
my
said that Pakistan
Pakistani
is free,
interlocutor. Can I
JD
please
Bakshi
have
sahab,
my say?
Just give me a minute.
Sir, can I please have my say?
Can I finish?
Thank you.
Can I finish? I have the last night I have traveled all the way from Islamabad to,
let him
to
finish.
Karachi, and at the moment I'm Karachi. Everything is normal. And by the
Go
way,
and say
when
your
when
piece
you
now, yeah?
always,
Don't tell us your
blame
travel
about Dawood Ibrahim. I'm at the Karachi, and I need his address because as you have always blamed and leaked his address that he's somewhere in the Clifton. I'm at the moment just inside the Clifton. I mean, if you give me the address, I would like to meet him. I would like to meet him, as you always blame and always leak his address. So kindly give me his
Thank
address.
you.
So
Please
I will
meet him
take
at
my
your
camera.
leisure.
Yes. Yeah. I will go at the given address.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
While if you want,
thank
if you want me
thank
to
you very
turn
much.
on my
Now,
camera live, I will
kindly
take you
let
to
the
live
debate
there.
go on.
I will take you to the live there.
Good.
Okay?
Very good.
So
Thank
it's
you.
useless. I mean,
Thank you. We will appreciate
useless,
that
I mean.
in the next program. Right now, let me tell you a few facts. Right? Firstly, Pakistan has to decide whether it is a nation state or the bridgehead for jihadi ideologies export around the world, especially into France. That is your new favorite nation, right? Most favored nation, France. Now, what I want to tell you is, you were talking of conspiracy theory. Have you noted the fact that every time the United States pressurizes Pakistan to have peace with India, and you are doing it under that, you are not capable of, coming up with peace proposal. Your Bajwa Saab was arm twisted to force him to try and talk peace with India. They retaliate, your ISI retaliates with these kind of orchestrated religious jihadi violence. Alright? It is to put Bajwa Saab in his place. You are so much obsessed with conspiracy theories, with what the RAW is doing. Look at what is your ISI doing. And relate it to how when the United States put pressure on your army chief. Sun to lijiye na. Arey saab, sun lijiye na. How will you answer it if you don't listen? Every time the United States put pressure on Bajwa Saab and Bajwa Saab buckles, the ISI to stiffen his back, orchestrates the Jaish-e, Muhammad, the Jaish-e cartoon networks, and now the Labaib party, the ones which they are paying openly. Your ISI officers have been caught on tape distributing money, bundles of notes to these Labaib people, right? And now they are using the same Labaib people to put pressure on their Pakistani army chief, who has buckled to the United States pressure to have talks with India. Have you thought about that? Think about that, and you will get some insights into the way your country functions. Don't look
Once
for
again, that came in from Pakistan. I'm going to wrap up with those pictures, viewers. Look at the videos. There are thousands marching in a line. Pakistanis are saying, Fauji wapas, show the pictures there. And interesting pictures of Pakistani army personnel being dragged by the collar. I mean, they asked me today, Pakistani army personnel being dragged by the collar. These videos are doing the rounds. France is calling all the people to return. And remember, Imran Khan was the one who released the TLP members in November. He's surrounded on all sides. There's a big story tonight. I thank you all for joining me.